we now have the options here to do a one-time order, or if we click on this drop down, we can change the order type. So this offers an auto invest feature if you want to automatically invest in Bitcoin on a daily, weekly, or bi-weekly schedule. So if we click on that, you can see where you have the options to set this to daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. And there's a $10 minimum for recurring purchases. So if you wanted to do a weekly investment, you would have to do $10 per week. It would be $40 a month as minimum. But for now, we're going to click on the back button and take a look at the custom purchase order option as well. This allows you to automatically buy Bitcoin if it reaches a price you choose. So this is going to be similar to a limit order for those who are familiar with the stock market. If you click on that, you're going to set the price here that you will trigger a purchase order at, and it actually has a really fancy line chart here that makes things really easy. So if we look at the data here, it's going to show us the current price of Bitcoin at 93,000, give or take. But let's say, for example, you were waiting to buy Bitcoin where you saw this pullback here earlier today. You could drag this down, and now you could set a order here to only purchase Bitcoin at 91,585 or better, which means it would have to decline 2% from the current price. So this is pretty handy here if you want to get specific about your purchasing price or your sale price. But in this case, we don't really care. We're just going to put a one-time investment of $1 in. So we're going to select that here. But if you want to put a larger amount in, you would click the three dots and type in, for example, $500 if you wanted to put that into Bitcoin. We're going to click on the X and once again click on buy Bitcoin, click on $1, and click on the blue next button once again. At this point, it's going to ask for our email address as we need to verify our email. At this point, it brings you to the order review window where you can make sure you understand all of the details. So at this point, it's going to be a funding source of my Cash App balance. It shows you the amount you're going to purchase, and it shows the dollar amount that you're going to pay here for the Bitcoin, which is just about 93,800. It also shows you the total Bitcoin purchased will be 97 cents with 3 cents paid in fees to Cash App, and we are going to end up paying a cost of $1 but getting 97 cents. So there are fees with Cash App, but this may change, so you want to check out the official Cash App website for details on the fees. Once you're all set, you can click on the confirm button, and just like that, we made our first Bitcoin purchase on Cash App. If you click on the blue done button now, it brings us to our portfolio, and this now is a value of 96 cents based on the fees and market fluctuation.